Blade Runner's universe will expand with new Prime Video series. Some of that Bezos money flowing into the Blade Runner thing. Yeah. A new installment in the sci-fi franchise, Blade Runner 2099, will be helmed by Ridley Scott and Silka Louisa. Oof, Silka. I like that.
I felt like we talked about this name before.
Well, I'll talk about it probably every time because it feels good to say it.
Yeah.
Silka. But then you have silica.
Silica gel?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That just crossed my mind. I prefer Silka. The Blade Runner series for Prime Video comes after the 2017 film. I haven't even seen that one yet.
You gotta watch it, dude.
I'm going to watch that one. Listen, I'm going to watch that one because I was obviously such a fan of the original. This will be a limited run TV series executive produced by Ridley Scott, the director of the original. Yeah, that was in 1982. Wasn't even born yet. I don't know what year I watched it. Much later after it came out. But in partnership with his production studio, Scott Free Productions and Alcon Productions, which is primarily a financier of films and also helped produce Blade Runner 2049. Silka Louisa is set to take on the showrunner role. She's best known for executive producing and writing Shining Girls, the psychological whodunit of shifting reality, starring Elizabeth Moss. Listen, they keep pouring money into this thing. You got to have these exclusives, and you got to have a reason why I'm subscribed to your thing.
Yeah,
I saw they were trying to do something with NFL football recently. This past couple days, I saw people on Twitter weren't super happy about it. I don't know. I wasn't watching.
Oh, something about rights?
They had the broadcast similar to how when you have some online, whether it's YouTube or Apple TV, they would go get a sporting event and then you wouldn't be able to watch it where you normally watch it.
Right.
How do I watch the NFL on Amazon? There you go. People were just irritated. But this is the new thing. This is the new situation, and people are creatures of habit. And when anything is slightly off, they get nervous about it. So, but anyway, yeah, you have to keep pouring into this IP, and when you have something like Blade Runner, you have the recognition that's already there, and the only trouble is you also have the expectation that's already there.
Yep.
And you know well about this.
And if the money's not in there, then it's going to be pretty bad.
You're talking about having this big budget.
Big budgets.
You got to have big budgets. Wow.
Yeah.
Good luck to them.
Good luck.
Oh, thank you very much, everybody who joined here today. Thank you to Will for putting up with a show that was mostly off the rails today. You never know what's going to happen on this show. That's the beauty of it. Sometimes we go up. Sometimes we go down. Sometimes we go side to side. And sometimes we go as the crow flies.